Assalamualaikum, welcome to Vocabgar. Let's learn daily use English sentences with Urdu translation. वो तुम्हारे पीछे खड़ा था. He was standing behind you. He was standing behind you. Behind की मानी है पीछे. मुझे कुछ जरूरी काम है. I have some urgent work. I have some urgent work. मुझे अपना मोबाइल नहीं मिल रहा. I can't find my mobile. I can't find my mobile. आप किस कॉलेज से हैं? Which college are you from? Which college are you from? वो सनस्ट्रोक का शिकार थी. She suffered from sunstroke. She suffered from sunstroke. ये सिर्फ आपका तख़य्युल है. It's just your imagination. It's just your imagination. मैं अली से बाजार में मिला. I met Ali in market. I met Ali in market. मैंने आपको कहीं देखा है. I have seen you somewhere. I have seen you somewhere. वो कितना वक्त लेगा? How much time will he take? How much time will he take? तुम कब तक यहाँ रहोगे? For how long will you stay here? For how long will you stay here? मैं लड़ने के मूड में नहीं हूँ. I am not in mood to fight. I am not in mood to fight. मैं आपको कॉल करने ही वाला था. I was about to call you. I was about to call you. मुझे सुबह सवेरे जगा दो. Wake me up early in the morning. Wake me up early in the morning. मैं आपका खैर ख्वाह हूँ. I am your well-wisher. I am your well-wisher. मैं उससे जान छुड़ाना चाहता हूँ. I want to get rid of him. I want to get rid of him.